and welcome to my new series of videos around programming and um, Git and many programming languages like C, C++, OpenCV of computer vision and embedded also. Maybe I will be uploading some videos, but today I am more concerning about Git. Git is the basic. People start using Git when they are programmers, when they start programming, not start programming, when they completed the programming. So I don't want to use Git in the end because it's, I think, the basic uh, tool. What is Git? You people normally use Dropbox or Google Drive or some other cloud storage mechanism that if your computer is somewhat not available, then you can access that code, access that files, important files. So what is difference between Git and such cloud storages? Git is also a cloud storage, but it is strictly for the programmers or which use a lot of programming languages. Like if a file is saved and some other guy that is using on the shared clouding changes that file in the Dropbox, then you have to deal with the same file, the changed file. But Git is for the coding purposes. What is it? You can see directly with it. I wrote some code or some lines. Okay, you can see these lines, but what Git is showing history. Like I made a commit, okay, and during the commit, what I did from the previous commit, I deleted this line and added these lines. Okay, you can see with the negative and positive. Also with these files, I deleted this file and added this file, I deleted this file and deleted this line and added this line. So from Git you can save your code, but also you can save your history. And if you are doing a project with some other guys, like you want to see what other guys did, if you like that code, you can use their code, but if you don't like that code, you can use the same code you are working on. So it is important, like if you have some problem, you would go to some forums, but you show your code to the others, and if you give them on the Git, they can directly change your code. But if you don't like their code, you can keep your code. If you like their code, then you can change it to their codes. So it's a easy thing. But I am not going in the deep of the Git. I am going in the surface of the Git, so that a normal programmer can use Git. So Git is a free and open source. Like you can see here, Git is a free and open source distributed volume control system, so you can download it for the Windows or for the Mac, or for, in Ubuntu it is built in. So Git is very important. As you can see, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, LinkedIn, Netflix, all these use Git as their source storage. So first you have to install Git. When you install Git, you get two files, that is Git GUI and Git bash. Okay, so there are some but it's difficult to use like this. So what you do is install the tortoise Git. Why tortoise Git? Is it's a GUI display, like you can click and upload it by just one click or two click. So what I would show you today is how you put your code on the web so that the Git is accessible to you. First of all, easy one is that I make a folder here on the desktop and I name the folder new folder. Okay, what I do is put a new file, text file, and name it readme.md. What is .md is a texture file. Like if you see on the web, you can see what is I am using the jbld, and this is the readme file, so it creates its file uh, the same way. So I am not creating a file. So what would I do is I would copy the code file written for the readme file, and I would also describe what is that readme file makes. I would paste it. It is written in hash. Hashtags are in the MD file is like headings. If one hashtag is the main heading, if there are two hashtags, it is the less subheading, and three hashtag is the normal writing. So what it is a readme file that I can show the other programmers that I am doing this, and show I should so I should use this file and this file and this file. What I do is I save it and close it. Yes, so I want to use the git. So what would I do is create git repository here. When you install tortoise git and git, you would get this. So I would get the create repository here, and okay. Now what would I do is commit it. Okay, git commit master. So this page opens. Every time we have to commit is I am going to save the file in my local repository, and then I am going to transfer it to the global repo. First, for the local repo, every time we have to commit, we have to say a message, like I am writing a message that initial commit. So I put the initial commit, and I select this file should be committed. Okay, and now I commit it. After the committing, tortoise git asks us you want to push or not. Yes, I want to push. Then it asks for the pushing. Yeah, remote name must be empty, so I have to put the remote. What would I do on my GitHub is a free website. Like Dropbox is a free for 2 GB, but it's unlimited GitHub. So what you would do is create a repository here. After creating, make a repository name like initial commit. Okay, and I would make a public, cause private would have to pay. So public git repository and create repository. After creating a repository, what would I do? There is a link on HTTPL. What I would do, I would put it here, and then okay. Oh, sorry. I would put here origin and a URL. Okay, so what I did is put the remote name in the destination, that every time it asks where to put, it would get the same result. So now I would push it, and it would ask the username of my git repo, and then password that I won't tell you guys, and after that it's trying to push it. So now you can see the code is pushed to the global repository. Now you can delete it, everything, because it's on the global. If I refresh this page, you see there is a readme.txt. okay, and now you would see in the folder that it's a green symbol. you see. So what it is, now it's ready. What I would do, I start to change the code here. I delete this line and I write my name here and save it. After saving it, you see there is a red line that you saved it, but it's not committed and it's not uploaded to the repo. So what would I do? Again, tortoise git, go to tortoise git and git and commit it like second commit. It's just a message. Okay, and I would save it and then push it. Okay, again it would ask my password, username and password. And it is now pushed. And when you come to here and reload this page, you see there is a second commit. And if you see what the second commit, I deleted these lines and I added this line. Okay, now accidentally if something happens to your computer and you delete this file, okay, you deleted this file, what you would do is tortoise git and pull from the origin. Okay, and now so now when the folder is deleted, I want to get back my code, so I would write get back, change the name. Okay, and what would I do is I create a repository. Okay, yes, and what would I do is pull it from where? Remote. As this remote is not successful, arbitrary URL. Yeah, I copied that URL, the same URL that was on the here. Okay, I would copy here and use it here because I made a new repo because previous was deleted by me. So I use it and now it's pulling. So now you see it is now pulled, and now we will go to our, and there is our readme file. Okay, and now I would change it to initial commit. I am changing just the file that I am changing again and again, and now I would commit it third commit. But it's not a good thing to message like this, first commit, second commit or third commit, because we would use the comment what we changed. So now I am pushing it. Okay, it's again asking my username and password. Okay, now it's completed, pushed, and now when we see there would be third commit. Okay, and what we changed in this commit, this line. Okay, so this is my short tutorial on Git. If you have some question, please leave a comment below.